We're here at Woodland Waters Ancaster for the Caravan magazine Great Awning Challenge.
Okay, so today we're testing the Vango Rapide II, which is an air awning.
Okay, so the awning's unpacked.
And now let's see how fast we go.
Okay, so this is take two, because you may have spotted that we just started feeding it through the awning rail the wrong way round. We had the inside facing out, so we'll go again. So the Vango Rapide 350 is now in the awning rail. We're about to inflate it and see how quickly we can get the whole thing erected. So while this is an air awning, it does actually have a couple of poles. These are for bracing the side of the awning against the caravan, so you won't get as many drafts coming through. Simply pops in there, drop it down to the floor, tension it, and then lock. And then just do up the Velcro strips around it. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so that's the Vango Rapide II in the 350 size, fully erected, and it's really sturdy.
And that was in 18 minutes and 33 seconds, which isn't bad for two relative novices.
So the Rapide really lives up to its name, especially when you take it down.
Okay, so how long did it take? It took just under 5 minutes. Now we've got to get it back in the bag.
Careful, it's hot. And don't tip the camera. Well, that was surprisingly easy, wasn't it? Wouldn't you say? Is that the first time you put an awning up? Second time you put an awning up. Yeah.
The Vango Rapide II porch awning in the 350cm size really does take the effort out of short breaks and holidays. The kit comes with everything you need, right down to a handy mallet, strong pegs and storm straps. The Vango Rapide has an RRP of £550, but you'll find it significantly cheaper online. For more details, visit vango.co.uk.